channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and we could see a little bit of a gap down opening where we saw gold opening around 1860. And right now, gold is trading at 1875. Though after a gap down opening, gold is showing little bit of recovery. And if we look at a chart of DXY, we can see that DXY is still continuing the uptrend. As I always say, volatility of the market plays a big role. So here, if the volatility of DXY remains like this, then there is a high chance that 103.50 will be able to act as resistance. In case the size of the candle changes to candles like this, then obviously market will break it, but otherwise there is a high chance that market will face some resistance and market may reverse as well. Okay, and if you look at the chart of gold, then gold is standing at 1875 right now. If you're looking for a detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. Okay, so if gold continues the upside, then the first resistance will be 1884 to 1885. Okay. Keep in mind, this is just a level for day trading purpose. Okay, these are not very strong resistances, though gold has shown extreme selling on Friday, so we are expecting that gold may reverse again for us temporarily, not permanently, temporarily. So if gold hits 1884 1885 level, observe the level first. If you see market showing price rejection, you can go for a sell position. In case gold continues the upside like this, then obviously you need to avoid. Okay, then observe the gold around 1898 to 1903. This is the second resistance. Keep in mind 1884-85 is not a very strong resistance. It's a very weak resistance that we can only consider for day trading purpose. In case it breaks it, then you should be observing gold around 1898 to 1903 level. If gold reverses from 1890 and 1903 level, you can go for a quick sell. You can expect a profit of 30-40 pips. Okay, but keep in mind, confirmation is important. Confirmation is the insurance of traders. Do not forget that. Confirmation will be in the form of price rejection from above. It can be a shooting star pattern. It can be a bearish engulfing pattern or anything like that. But yes, confirmation will be important. My dear friends, it's your hard-earned money, so do not gamble with it. Okay, so if market starts falling again, then you can see that this level is right now acting as a temporary support for the market. Okay, so day traders may find some buying opportunity around 1860-61 level. Around this level, day traders may find some buying opportunity. Why? Because usually we do not see much volatility on the first half of Monday. So if market starts falling, then there's a high chance that market may take support. Why? Because the volatility is low right now. There is not much extreme volatility. During US session, where we see good amount of volatility, in US session the level may fail, but during the Asian session, on the first half of European session, you can expect the market to take support. Just switch to 15 minutes time frame, observe the market. If you see market taking support and bouncing from 1860-61 level, you can go for a buy position. In case market starts falling with good red candles, big fat red candles, then obviously you know it very well that you need to avoid it, and your next support will be around 1840 to 1841. If possible, try to avoid selling below 1860 level, because already market has shown considerable selling, so as a result it may be very risky. There's a possibility also the market may go for some SL hunting and go up again. So just to avoid the risk, cut out the risk. If market fails to bounce from this level, wait for the market to bounce from 1840 to 41. There's a high chance that market will be bouncing from 1840 to 41, because the next levels of 1840, 41, 1830 to 24 are more or less good supports. As we do not have any strong news right now to drive the market, we can definitely expect that the levels will work, because after all, whenever fundamentals run the market, technicals fail, and we must admit that. Okay, so um, if these levels fails because of some news, then 1840-41 will definitely come for rescue. So my dear friends, if you're looking for detailed analysis, watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, so that you can get a proper picture, better picture, how we have derived these levels. That's all for the day. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow. And do not forget, capital protection is your first priority always. Bye bye.